So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoga. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install and use Audacity in Windows 11. So first of all, open the browser on your Windows PC. Now you search for Audacity. Now this is the link, click on it. Now here click on download without music. Now after this click on this icon. As you can see here, download is blocked. Click on it. Click on download unverified file. And now the setup is downloaded. Click on it to open it. Now in the UAC prompt, click on yes. Click on OK. Now click on next. Click on next again. Click on next again. Click on next again. Now click on install. And this will start installing Audacity. Now click on finish. And now Audacity is installed and you can use it. To start recording the audio, click on this red icon. And this will start recording the audio. To pause it, press spacebar. And this will pause it. To save the audio, click on File. Click on Save Project. Click on Save Project again. Now click on Save to Computer. Select location. Let's select desktop. Now type the name. Let's say audio. Press enter. Now close this window. And as you can see here, the audio is now saved. So this I can install and use Audacity on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.